Ilimu, Utako Kamboa.
What? What you say?
I said those are windows, young man.
And then the interesting thing about freeing yourself and living free and doing everything for yourself is that you end up eliminating many things from your life. And you realize in this process what is really important and what isn't. And you don't miss them. One of the reasons you don't miss them is because you're so busy enjoying the creative process of building a new life. You know?
Mm.
And everything changes. Everything changes. You get up at different times. You see things. Your eyes. It's like it's the Matrix. They said, "Why do my eyes hurt?" Because you're seeing for the first time. In this case, why does my head hurt? Because my first eye is wide open.
Yeah.
And that's a whole different vision.
5D.
Really. I've never felt so creative in my entire life. I've never felt so at peace. And we got no money.
Hey.
Imagine that.
Neteru provides, baby.
But Neteru just keeps providing.
Yeah. Water, food, fruit, roots, leaves.
Yeah. Every day we're eating delicious food.
Yeah.
Thanks to you and your cooking. And me going up there to get it.
Alkaline waters.
Saddling up the horse.
Yeah.
Come on, Forrest, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's put the saddle on and let's go.
Yeah.
Tie a big bag on this side, coconuts, tie another big bag of yucca on that side. Grab a few papaya along the way. Ooh. Let's go, boy.
Yeah.
Climbing up the hill, through the mud, across the creek. And it's tiring, man. But guess what? I didn't go to the grocery store.
Yeah.
I went to Neteru's Provisional, which is all around me. And all around us.
Ilimu, Utako Kamboa.
What? What you say?
I said those are windows, young man. Should try making some. Might set you free.